In this tutorial, we'll go through the first workspace setup in Specteron. We'll check the workspace context, explain team roles, and show what should be prepared before inviting more people to the system. The workspace is the main area where your team works inside Specteron. It connects your organization, users, permissions, support workflows, inbox, knowledge base, and AI configuration in one place. Before you invite more people, it's important to make sure the workspace is set up for the correct company, project, or support team. Open the Team section. This is where you manage who has access to the workspace and what each person is allowed to do. At the beginning, it's better to start with a small implementation team instead of inviting everyone at once. To invite new members to your workspace, open the Invite New Members section. Here you have two options. The first option is a shareable link. Click Generate to create a secure, time-limited access link. Once the link appears, click Copy and send it to the person you want to invite. The second option is a direct email invitation. Enter the person's email address in the email field, then click Send. The invited user will receive access to join your workspace. Admin is a user with full access to the workspace. This role is for people who manage the main configuration, team access, workspace settings, and important setup decisions. Admins can invite new members, manage permissions, and control key parts of the system. Member is a standard user inside the workspace. This role is for people who work in Specteron on a daily basis, but do not need full administrative control. Members can use the workspace, take part in support workflows, and work with assigned tools, but they should not manage the whole system setup. For the first setup, keep the team small. A good starting group includes the workspace owner, one technical admin, one person responsible for the knowledge base, and one support representative. This makes the first configuration easier to control and test. Once the workspace and team roles are prepared, you can move to the next setup steps. These may include configuring the knowledge base, testing the AI agent, setting up the inbox, and preparing the ticket workflow. A clean workspace setup makes every next step easier and safer. This completes the Workspace Setup module. You now know how to prepare the workspace, assign basic team roles, and get the system ready before inviting a larger team. In the next modules, we'll continue with the next parts of the Specteron setup.